In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air charge temperature sensor on this Audi A4. This has the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. It's going to be located on the driver's side above the throttle body. Let's get into it. I'm going to disconnect the battery. You may have a panel over here that you have to remove. This vehicle does not. On the negative side, we're going to use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up the nut, grab the terminal end, and slide it to the side. Remove the engine cover, just grab underneath, pick it up, disconnect the connector right here, just push on the tab. Slide that off. Using a T30 socket, remove this screw. Grab the sensor, give it a wiggle, and it slides right out. Take the sensor, just line this up, slide that in place, take the screw, get that started. Snug that down. I'm going to torque this to 40 inch-pounds. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, plug it in. And take the cover, line it up. Push it down. Now we're going to connect the battery, take the negative terminal, line it up, take the wrench, snug that down, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. And if you have that panel, you want to put that panel on top.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.